crisp air. I love putting on my cozy sweaters. Oh, I'm just so excited. So I decided to start decorating my house for fall, and I thought I'd show you a really easy way that you can make your own fall wreath to put in your house. So today we are making this. I'm going to take my watercolors here and I'm going to start painting each of these clothespins. So I'm going to use red, orange, and yellow because I think they're fun and fall and kind of go with the look that I want around my house. So let's get started. Okay, so now I have a variety of colors. I've got some of my red, some of my yellow, and then also I've got some orange too. And I just made about 20 of each. It really depends on how big you want your wreath to be. So next, we are going to get our base for our wreath. Now what I decided to use for the base of my wreath was I just took a paper plate and I cut out the center, and I just kind of measured by seeing how far the clothespin would go. And there you go, it covers the whole plate, looks really pretty, has a lot sticking up still. So that's what I did. Something you could do is do 2 or 3 of these so it's a little sturdier, which is what I'm about to do. And I'm just going to glue them together so I have a nice sturdy base to put all these clothespins on. One more thing, if you are cutting paper plates, please make sure you have someone there to help you. Your safety is always important. We do not want you to cut yourself. So make sure you have a friend or someone who can help you cut these out. If you need a little extra assistance, no shame in that. I decided that I want to paint the paper plate little ring I've got here, so I'm going to start painting it red, might even add just a little bit of orange. That way if you can't see anything underneath the clothespins, it's a pretty color that matches the rest of the decoration. Alright, now time to put in the clothespins. Here we go. I'm just going to go red, orange, yellow, and I don't know, I think it'll look good. Before in my life, but I somehow made exactly the right amounts of clothespins. So, okay, so here is my wreath. Now, you could add all kinds of other things to it if you wanted. I've seen some really cute ideas where you use construction paper and you can put a turkey head and body here so it looks like these are its feathers. But honestly, I like the simplicity of it, so I'm just gonna go with this. The next thing you would do is you would have a mom or dad help you figure out how you want to hang this. So you could get one of the wreath hangers that'll just clip around here and clip onto your door. That's what I use at home. You could also probably put a command strip on some of these clothespins and stick it somewhere, but make sure wherever you're going to put this wreath that you do ask your mom, your dad, your staff member to make sure that it's okay where you're putting it and how you're putting it up on the wall or door. Until next time, I am so excited for fall. I hope you are too. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching another episode of Discovery Squad, brought to you by the Arc of Sedgwick County. If you liked today's video, be sure to like, comment below, and of course subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you know every time we post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.